we're going to take a look at the easiest way to make an animated text intro for your video. We're at panzoid.com and we're looking for this 2D, 3D animation tool called Clipmaker. One of the cool things about Clipmaker is that it comes with all of these pre-made community-based projects. After you've created a project, you can actually make it available for other people to remix and change into their own. So the easiest thing to do is to choose one of these. You can click on More Creations. You'll get to browse through. So here we have this Squid Game based intro. We've got all of these 3D title animations. So you can go ahead and pick one of these and turn it into your intro. No problem. They've also got music that comes along with these, so you can really jump in and get something going from one of these templates. We're looking at something simple, so we want to go ahead and start our intro with something really cool. Maybe we'll do this dripping paint. So if we go this open in Clipmaker, we can then look at the scene, and using my mouse wheel I can zoom in and zoom out, and then I can right click to move around the scene, and then use my regular click to actually rotate around the objects. So looking at the other tools that I have here, if I go to the objects that are in the scene, I can see, aha, there's actually text. So this Drifta is using this font called Bloody. You can choose your own fonts from this list. You'll see there's two layers of text, so that's why I'm seeing it stacked up here. So I can go ahead and change this to the same font. So right here, the 3D text, I can go ahead and type in what I want it to say for my intro. And I'll need to edit this on both pieces. Text. And you can see that they're actually put together in a group, so that when I run my animation, it's actually going to be changing the position and rotation and scale of this object in the scene. If I want to see what it looks like, I can click on this eyeball and then hit play. So let me stop here. These little keyframes are controlling the animation, and you'll see that every one of these there is a scale and a position being set. So let's also go in here to our text inside the group here, and let's see if I can go ahead and, if you want to make text that's on a different line, you're going to need to create different text objects. So let's go ahead and simplify this to just saying Defiant. And then if I want to create within this group, I want to add a new text object. I can make sure I'm clicking on the group and I hit Add Object, and then I will choose Text. This actually came outside of the group, so I'm going to drag it up, make sure that it's inside this group. Now if I go into my scene, I can actually move this text to where I want it to be. So using the same input box, I can go ahead and put in the word created. And if I want to match the font, I can go ahead and find the font that I liked, this kind of futuristic looking one. I can also choose different options like the size, the bevel, and even the color. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this nice shade of green. Maybe we want something more, a little brighter, like magenta. So now when I'm looking at my scene, I can see, aha, there's the text. In order to get this to fit, I'm going to have to make the size a little bit smaller. So I can do that here. The size is set to 0.1. Why don't we set it to 0.08? And actually that's the bevel size. So up here, height. Aha, the height, put it to like 14. And now in my scene, I can go ahead and I can move this up. So once I'm happy with everything that I have here, I can go to this download button. And also looking at the music here, here is where the sound is set to either fade in, fade out, and then I can choose an audio file. And then the format, MKV or WebM, you can choose. If you want to embed this in your website, you might want to use the WebM. If you're going to upload this or work on it with a video editor, MKV would probably be the better format. So let's go ahead and start the video render. Video is being rendered. Please stay on this page to ensure your browser continues. So we'll leave this page up. You could go ahead and you could do other things with your computer. Some of these are really cool, so thank you to Drifta for making this cool template. We'll return the favor by making some templates and uploading them to the community, and people can go ahead and remix some of the stuff that we've come up with. So shouts out to Drifta for that one. This is going to take a few minutes, and it's all happening on the server, not on your computer. You just want to make sure that you don't close this window. So that's a quick look at Panzoid. We'll have some more detailed explanation. We're even going to have an assignment where we go ahead and we make a top 5 video. So if you're interested in that, look on our channel. We've got lots more digital art workshops coming up, and we're doing live sessions. So if you want to join us and ask questions, make sure you join us every Tuesday night for the live session.